Hi, in this video, I'm going to teach you two things. First, I'm going to show you how to use Google Scholar. Second, I'm going to show you how to use Google Scholar to identify the right faculty that fits your research interest in your graduate school application so that you reduce the chances of getting a rejection email or a rejection letter. Let's get started. In this video, I'm going to use Harvard Business School and Duke University as a case study. Let's get on it right away. First thing, you want to go to the program page of the school, and immediately you click on the program page of the school, be it a master's program or a PhD. It's going to take you to the program page. You see different track that they have, and then you want to check out the faculty members in each graduate school. You want to check out the faculty member in that specific area where you are most interested in. Take, for example, I'm interested in marketing, I'm interested in accounting. You want to check out graduates, you want to check out faculty members in those specific schools. Then when you click that, you check out the names. So this case study, I'm going to use two faculty from each of these schools, and I'm going to show you how to navigate that. First thing, the domain name for Google Scholar is scholar.google. It could be .com, it could depending on your location. But for me in Canada, it is .ca. Click on it, open Google Scholar. Then you want to copy the name of the faculty member that you believe best fits your research interest. Then you want to go to Google Scholar, search for them, click on their name, and you're going to see their profile this way. When you check out your profile, you want to check out their most recent research. If you check out their most recent research, you'll be able to identify which of their research or the current trend of their research and now it fits into your personal research interest. Then I'm going to use another case study. Say, for example, we're using another faculty from Harvard Business School. You go on Google Scholar, do the same thing, type in their name, and click on it. Then it gives you their profile page and you are able to check out their research interest, check out a sample project that they've worked on, read the project description, and go ahead to download the resources. It's that simple. Let's use Duke University also, pretty much the same thing. Check out their program page, search for the faculty, get the name of the faculty of your choice, go to Google Scholar, input their name, and voila, you have the faculty member of your choice. I hope you really find this useful in your graduate school application, and I hope you are able to check out their research interests, read up about it, digest it, and use it in your SOP. I already made a video on how to integrate all of these ideas into an SOP. Thank you for watching. Bye.